How to get more legendary cards in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So when you check out your deck, you would be able to see this option over here which shows card mastery. So it's better to play the same deck. This way you would be mastering your cards way faster and you would be getting rewards for it, and you can get legendary cards in it. And the second way could be by opening up this shop over here. When we scroll down further, you would be able to find this option of daily deals. Over here, sometimes the legendary card might appear that you can get for gold or for the gems. Just look out for them on daily basis, and regardless of the legendary card, just get the daily deals. It is a great way to move fast in Clash Royale. The third way could be playing the daily battles, and this way you would be getting the lucky drops, and these lucky drops can give you the legendary card. You can also get the legendary card by climbing up the arena ladder. Also participate in the clan wars. Currently I'm not in any particular clan. You can join a clan and go with the clan wars on weekly basis. This will give you the legendary card. The another way could be joining up the special events that come in Clash Royale time to time, and you can join them, play them and rock these events to get the legendary card. And these were some ways that you can utilize in order to get the legendary card. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.